Who do you think will win the race? I think someone is cheating. Watch this lady take a drink at full gallop. And now she's shooting arrows. This mom is teaching her baby to run. Haven't quite mastered the brakes yet.